Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's all about racing. It is Thursday, I believe, August 2nd. I am up here at Road America in Wisconsin, and you're taking a look at one of the Penske Porsches there as they are just cleaning it up and getting ready to put it through tech. Most of the teams have unloaded already. Normally I get here earlier than this, but I'm going to walk you down here. This is going to be the Whelen Cadillac that you're going to see next, and it is up on the stands. You can see the nose of it right there, and we're taking a look at the Whelen Cadillac from the back here. Interesting look at it if you ever wondered what it really looks like under the skin. There you get a really cool look at it. Now here's a look at the other Porsche. I believe this might be the number 6. You saw the number 7 in the paddock. This is scrutineering, where they do all of the inspections on the car. And up above it you can see the Acura up there. And I'll get you pictures of those as soon as they come out of here. But they're inspecting that as well. Now here's the Konica Minolta Acura. And you see Konica Minolta there, and they've got that up on the stands, got the nose off of it. Now guys, here's a really cool look at the 01 Cadillac. Stunning and gorgeous, I think, in yellow. They too have the back off of this one. Now, if you saw my Watkins Glen paddock tour, we missed the, well, they didn't have the WeatherTech Porsche. Now they do. It is here. It was not at Watkins Glen. I believe this is going to be a first appearance of this for me. But there you are, taking a nice look at that one. Very, very cool. Now guys, I'm back at scrutineering, and here is a look at the Acura there from the front. And if I scan back a little bit, you can see the Porsche right behind it there. Guys, and now you can actually hear the Cadillac as they're idling it. Let you take that in for a moment. Notice that the green on the top of it means, that little green mark you see, that means the car is grounded. They can work on it, they can touch it. These are hybrid cars. Kind of waiting to see if they'll gun it up. The engineers are obviously analyzing data. Now guys, you'll notice this is the WeatherTech 79 Porsche 911 GT3. Because the WeatherTech LM, or yeah, whatever they call it, the LMP, or the whatever the new term for these things are. I keep thinking DPI. Because they've got the prototype here, they also have the 79 WeatherTech car up here as well, and they will probably not be unloading that until tomorrow. Oh, you're good. Sorry. Now this is the JDC Motorsports Porsche. Go ahead. It's a good look at it, sitting there in the in its glory. It's all assembled. I think it looks very, very sharp. And as I noted with the other port, you can see the green cone on the top of it, meaning the car is grounded, safe to work on, if they choose to do so. See if we can get a side view of it. No, not very good from there. Now this is the BMW paddock, and you can see the cars are in pieces here. They're still putting this together. They've got them up on the stands there. Take a look. You can see some of the rear body components there. There's number 24 nose. There's a really cool look at that, the nose piece outside of the car. I love the BMW. I just, the kidney grille, I just think makes it, when this thing lights up, it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. And there's a look at the car. De Filippi and Yellowy racing that this weekend. Connor De Filippi, that is. I got you a little closer to this. Notice the new livery on this. Those are those black and white stripes you see running from the front And it's hard to see the rest of it because it's covered, but I have not seen that before. That appears to be new, and that is also reflected in its sister car right across there. That is cool, cool, cool. Number 24, number 25 car. This was the one that almost got pancaked at Watkins Glen on the first lap. If you haven't seen my video, check out IMSA KS on the first lap at Watkins Glen. You watch this car almost get obliterated by the entire GT3 field. I hear the mechanic is doing some assembly, completing the nose piece of the car there. Just put that on, fitted it. And you hear the screw work going on. Now I'm back in the scrutineering area, and you can see they've got the Porsche raised up now. It's way off the ground. They're taking a closer look at the undercarriage of that. And now the Acura is moving out. We're moving forward, maybe not moving out. I know the number 60 is flashing there, but it's really not. It just looks that way because of the video frame rates. But just took the nose of that off. I'll tell you, they dissect these things and really scrutinize them, hence why they call it scrutineering. Looks like they're going to take the rear panel off of that as well in here. I see them tugging at it. There it goes. And that's what half of the Acura looks like without the nose and the rear. Oh, now they're taking, oh, that was just the tail assembly. Now they're taking the rear assembly out. Now here's a really cool look at the Acura engine. I'll zoom in on that. You get a nice cool look at that. I think that's sweet. Pretty cool. Folks, we're back to the 01 Cadillac, and now that the crew members aren't huddled around, I'm going to take you for a tour of the cockpit and a look at the engine compartment here. I remember my last video, somebody asked me why I didn't get a picture of the cockpit. Take what you can get, and there's a good look at the interior of the Cadillac. And now let's move back to the engine. Look at the exhaust port there going out the back. It's just a badass machine. And just now you get a perspective of how wide those tires are. You can see it attached to the assembly. Just absolutely amazing what they have done with these things. Okay guys, they're going to be moving the other Porsche now to scrutineering. I see them pulling it out here. Everything you see covered here are assembly pieces, parts of it that they don't want you looking at, which is why they're covered. You might remember my other video when they ran me out of here because I was filming it when they were uncovered. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. You got a shot of me, or my chest anyway. And here she comes. We're moving it out now. Just follow the Porsche right into scrutineering. About the best look you'll get at this, other than this, is on the racetrack when it's moving. And now assuming you'll see the other Porsche up there inside on the rafters, and guys, there it is. That is the Porsche, the Penske Porsche. In all of its beauty. I absolutely love the wrap or paint job, whatever you want to call it, the livery on this. We all know it's a wrap. It's really stunning. It's amazing how sharp the nose is on that car. I never realized how really sharp it really is. It's pretty impressive. Almost looks like the nose of a shark. Guys, what I'm going to do now is we're in the what they call the Tech Center, the scrutineering area, and it's really neat. Notice on the walls here of all the racing over the years. It runs the entire length of the Tech Center. This is a big ass Tech Center. I've never seen one this big at any facility that I have been to.
When we first had this set up, our ranch didn't even close to this.
And this is my first time to Road America, but that's a cool look at that. And there, of course, is the Acura again. They have put all the body panels back on it, but they're obviously still eyeballing the thing, as they typically do before they get out and practice. Guys, these are really close look at the WeatherTech Porsche. I was just chatting with one of the mechanics. Apparently, they ran this car at Mosport. At least that's what the impression I got from him. That may not be the case because I just don't remember seeing it. So this might be the first time that we're looking at it. But anyhow, this is the second of the privateer Porsche teams, the other being the JDC Motorsport team.